times.
Yeah, minimum.
Sa guy no and when Fauzia no a call President Ifi 2016 with Dr. Bewa. Call you know. I say okoye donation in cash and t-shirts. Nti o share video no a say wa obo say Dr. J Bewa and the sika no envelope Emma president. Nti o wie no o ka kire president say that time no o ka kire say ewura no enkasa because ono na dey eyin ba. No so o pese ni nua we enkasa ma no. Montie ni e ho na kire o say girl no na wa planning with guy no say obigu papa dani mase. Nti nobody should say ewura na onim ho hwe. Ma share video no several times. Me my friend me my Kabo call me him Abbas through Kabo. Ya somebody ba na friend Kabo na mzikabo. Adia me huni na Abbas gina bem. Na wa hwe ni ya na yiri edema na nima guase. Nti wa na ofre Abbas. Ofre nkwa na onya awe say na yiri nkwa sa 2016 okoye bibi. Nti onu akasa efre ni yiri no na yiri no confirm so 2016 na okoye donation no onu Abbas na numuto mo pa mo mfre Kabo say na yiri no say 2016 and okoye contribution to Ekufuado. Now well, if you still want to give a benefit of the doubt say now onimu hwe na guy no na ye bad and o record no a member so abedru baby a obehu say no ya we enti omo ekoye no na e wo say madam Amabuzia and the Domoko. Now, according to Dr. J. Bewan, now o delay, and also baby continue. He took them and Wadomko the candidate 2016. Into honor, and Oche Semu say, a way he said, or the Sikama, or your contribution, but then to this time, or why you say, or the back, and here. What you say? To this camera, you know, Saka say, or t-shirts, our printing, and so much family. Into a corner came, I could fat t-shirts, no, and the buy the beer, Emma, President Ekufuado that time, presidential candidate, arise for change. What you say? Into Sene, a Bassa NDC4, and the capitalization was a driver, now. Sa Yakubu guy. I was a multi book tape video. Yeah, you ever born ya edika no a. Yeah, fake one. You ever born no edika. Yeah, mo video no. Na mo behu adia akwa no eyeye. Na me woda bomba fo a o mo explain ya mame. Emra o mo free Ekufuado office ho na o mo ko. And what did the bomba kasa? And so, where the Amadawasi and Yawa and coming opportunity and record. Yes. What in a go back as a woman, yeah, me what a bomba for me explaining. Say what Dana say 1 man opportunity, and you want going as opportunity way and record. Now, what that from tree. So, who says say a ramen is not away? Oh, you're aware. Oh, you're aware of mistake. Abbas, you know, we are aware of what Yakubu was going to do. Because Mama Dagomba from you, and I explain, Mama, or can we know that from our almost let's just say, Obano and Casa, or also were mischievous. What you say? So, when we are waiting, 20 up now, Yakubu, acquire another voiceover, Eddie Atuso. As if say a 2017 na nikunu Abbas ye pesi ye yino di na ko 4 person mo gene bribe and 1 person of the man enti any president they brought 40,000 no the dollars kind of $40,000 so o video no mi na wo hwa ubehu enti Yakubu no tumi say o planning de da say ubegu oni announce na ye adwuma and we follow out. Yeah. What you say? Minim niya waye Anas downfall the one we are seeing now. Say Yakubu guy. At a later, Mecca, because so to me, at the we are so the Debia Bonina Begidia, we have to expose you. We have to expose you. After many Anas said we are court, I will come after this guy. I will come out with revelations about Romi Yakubu. So, why am I going to say when highest bidder? Obi Obama is Sikabiano. Na Okoko. But Okowa, Dinukre. We won't be on cap. What you say? My person will score political points. Say a Kufuado who tintin say or a corrupter. Then this is for Masumo. Woman Yansa. So when Yansa and come on, come baby, Mukon Etro. My first hint, I'm a dima woman say. Ipa true. Mahama said what the Kufuado may campaign. Besides, say chill homes if you know Timono. Why yeah? I didn't know to say you.
Or okay, the best answer no so, but you deal with video no in the number phone to
yeah, video no. And I make sure I say video no is 2016. And na Urano acquire contribution to Nana Kufuado. I think 40,000 cities, but back on the shares of $40,000.
Or your voiceover.
Or your voiceover or shares of $40,000. Now video no when you ready ama
video na ready amunyima omanfo no mo mo share Facebook and afi na 2TV no monsa ebeka
na me ma share video no ma share several times ma share several times e kire say enipa no share da and of course obegu Ekufuado eni mas but a backfire because we are bagini ba nti t-shirt nso ya de ma bribe na.
Okay. You the prameti. Your mom dey medicate ba.
Omu pie no. Okada gomba kasa. Na fe omu so sidi.
Okay.
What you say? Na odana se say ayi ono a nka odumi mfa no ma ho. E ma no e meye sa recordings we nie. No mo da from twitwitwi no mo sere. So nobody can say, nobody can convince me say mama no onka ho. Oka ho. Enna say adwen papa wo ni timu a na nko be ka kire ni kun say ade say no okoye until say me frɛ kabo ama ni kun no kabo abisa ni kun na onye aware po say the woman made contribution in 2016 to Ekufuado nti papa no enna ofre back e ka kire kabo say oh when ni yiri na kasa no any second wife when the second wife Enti Obama said 2016 and Okoye contribution. What you say? So I'm surprised that even Abbas, your name has been mentioned on my out, on my country. The woman has also not said anything. Where's Adia will lump all of you together. Some will say Namuti. It is a Abbas. If we egu anyone say, no one respond. So I think Abbas should come out to let Ghanaians know the true story. And yes, I almost sacrificed it. Well, so I imagine say I got 4 months now. Fine, but 4 months you have to retire with dignity. You cannot let your wife destroy the reputation you built over the years. Because he still looks very fine, even at age 69 or 80. And he will retire, you can be a very good consultant. You set up your own firm, big companies will come for advice and everything. Your life does not end there. So you should not allow your wife to destroy your reputation. Because one can here, a big good for life. Now, Wama, NDC for capitalize, and you soon. Good animasi. And I think Abbas, as someone who catches a kaboom, repeat that for Ghanaians to know your side of the story. I said, no, I phoned in to defend him, said no. Yeah. Meaning 6 weeks ago, Yenene Kasala. That was the first time cry. Oh yeah, aware said, Sana in 2016, Abi Okoye. And he went there with Anas guy. Now the question is, Eddie and Tina or the Anas guy? So nobody should exonerate or find excuse for the woman. she had diabolic intention.
If you say I didn't know Kakoye, no, when you're ambassador, by when you do when they come,
yes, a DNT, and our day announce, and no share baby a boy, no so quiet, or tonight, no, and baby a man at tonight. Oh, yeah, being on person, and none of voice gives him away. Well, we need to be everyone say Yakubu, announce, boy, or my follow up. May your catcher debris say, announce didn't Cote d'Ivoire, and Okoye, Jumamano. And now the back school fees when Tia man. There are a lot of things that he has said to me. But I will not say anything yet. I will not say anything yet because no dia worse than Saboy no Mukunwa of the Beshed. I'm a swally. And I'm say Asama Mikaya announce here smart. Kasa Egokum boy noa. Actually, or the quarter to social media, 7 of Mukunti. I'm not going to say anything yet until we finish the case. Then I'll let the whole world know who that Yakubu is. What I say, very evil guy. Because be on me and ask and be on the papa.
Yeah, you ever answer so anti Sabri dear. And Yamana Babonti, MPP, the original number, NDC, and we're away press conference now. Okay, money dear Musamijan fee, and one man can someone or more can Eddie Empo Ameswale, who is a Wujinabe, will say mistaking of identity, and our day Sena, Wimum, and our day Echo Ameswale, and then Ameswale, according to Samijan fee. So Casa, or Casa, mistaking of identity, and a man, Modikuma Ameswale, name this guy. And as a senka, at the end, a sequel, say, Nadi, most one of a video. I mean, some bed. Oh, Sammy, okay, me tea, no yamity. Sammy was on the sir, I am mistaken identity. Now, let me ask a question. Identity, Anna. And then when you fight Yakubu Huntia, was he a mistaken identity when I don't pay the Kungum Kukumamas? And we have video and I'll tell you, okay. Yeah, now I'll take the matter up. Maintain. In the course of their diabolic mission, now Omu Egu Mwanimase, now one Kasa secret, she shall win. Now Omu Yipi. Once that meaning, Pepe said, we say, what I know about the guy. And knowing Anas and his people. So I think because of the Dino Swally, no. Now where are the Yakubu? Swally candidate, one of the Swally candidate, who in China, a man mistakenly win or more, win and I didn't. Now IGP should pick it up. National Security, CID, they should pick this matter up because a serious statement and one making it say, not Wayne a Yashushano. And now mistaken identity into Yadukokum. Now, I must say, Mina me bo, I'm a swally din, and a video, and Tinam Kokum. Nanamunim a Yakubu swally no, and I send the bad. So I also Yabisha now. I'm Yabisha, opening politics from 1992 ever. Now, that's everybody we say. So, be to one book. Now, afraid I had that more. So, we share paper cramming. I jump paper and paper week. NDC4 meetings are Omako. Need diabolic a year on person year. And I've seen a couple of videos. And like me, I'm training, will be my warning shot straight. Yeah. And it's all captured here. Say, Omni, a soldier for a police for the BCNA. Send your Samijan via Canada. Say, Omu, so the Omu, Eddie. Yeah, almost say, voter region. Ombe make sure, say, Omo training woman, Omni, a soldier for a police for the BCNA. Now, a warrior Basabasa, now, your council election. Yeah, it's here. And it keeps coming up. All the intelligence are picked. Every time Biano, Akamba, organizer, diabolic in your man or Diba, or Nini Baba Jama. What you say? In your man, almost planning so may. But open your member and chair will be out. I'm coming to be after Monday, our constituency. Monday, we pay the average of the constituency. Central. Yeah, You should bring those guys and no shoot no. Monday, Akamba. For cruise. O top guys you way, we are from Bra. There's a Bakubesa Lechia. Yeah, it may catch your gun for Monday, Akamba, also Bema. Odi fa o troops no bra na se ba kokura beka asan na chia ba wo be hu ni wiasete e dia na yatira gigin se hunu so se asumdue e wo no wo de wo anya power na wo kire ni ani se wo be se Ghana Ashanti region almost say Ashanti BA Eastern Central there now we have over 1,000 men. We don't care about soldiers and police. We are not going to fight the police. We are not going to fight the military. We are defending our ballots. We are defending our ballots. Straight. Because ya mount now unko training for no matter the
ballot defense, they say approach for you.
Now one plans almost say about 30 meters away, all the strongholds, they will first start shooting the police and the military. They have their men. Those stand at the distance. They are armed. Every year, we are saying, "Nti, you two abanu we now Mahama winni. Neni penny ne wa. Mwa and abe wu mwa. Na aga kwara. Mo ya na mo se manoya. O hwa kamba nipa fronsana. O nanim ene ni suba nyina ye pe.
Festival.
Every year na mo festival. Look now. Wow. Minimum watama, wow, name. And is that Doctor Abiachiso? Sabato or the Fagrini, or Paso say Ghana, Magana yet to send a new Pagana. Ghana, we are a very peaceful country and will not allow anybody to destroy.
Of course, assurance when I don't man for as some people to about.
They say, oh, Gina, when he say, oh,
time about
a man, once ready. Good. But you see what? You do a mistake. I don't think that Omukwan and Mema. Ashanti region, a bomb of we are mistake. We are going down. Ashanti region, you are born clean. Or be a beginning to Ashanti region. By 5 a.m. Finish. Ya mau chance o e ma o say ya sumdua ye wo say wo de wo do training kofo wo mu ho we are monitoring all of them just as we did in 2016 we know every hideout wo mu wo de o mu mistake o mu say from 5 to 6 no o be kum nipa so that Asante for be panic o be to aba wo kunkura the ginger then from 2 aircon o be start ayi nkwase they all die. Be a better person, Yamia Asumio or Ghana. Now, when you're training, so we may dear to trust him. You be gunned down. No two ways about it. Because Yamma and you pebby and you might be so dear, woman, woman in bonnet. And yeah, the Ghana and shit. What kind of attitude is this? What kind of attitude is this? Say, and Yawunti, Ghana and shit. Akamba, bring your men to Central Region and you will see what will happen. Me say obi ye mistake obi obi na be on my back me ya me catch them o me ka me say mo pa mo hange Central Region kwa na wani hwe o mani hwe ba bi Ashanti region amudu ambo se mema o pa we are not leaving any stone unturned. No say abawe ya ekoyie ema MPP wa hu se wo lusu nti o de ekoba bagana na wa se na o so mu wa sojafoɔ o mu wa polisifoɔ ntino asojafoɔ mu nya hwe o be say 2008 year no a say security a break it down see ya hunu bi pen nti yansa antena ho biom say security a break it down say baby a o mu to aba no even open that ballot box kra o mu plans for it to destroy everything. And Yamunqua, we have Memma Ghana, when DC. Yamunqua, but as soon as you paint it, any person Ghana bear Basasa. But I'll be also a bear Basasa. Media, my license me to you know. A person on Susa account. You come and watch it. Media, my license you, my license say, me plus the pistol. Me, I'm coming there. Man, say Rambo. So, who did go for maybe constituency? I've a broom for. Ebi asa na aka kire mi. Na nya won gwa wo ya mo ye ho well me kamomati central region mo ba mo diagro ya mo chance na to for so so e be ma che wan and one day lead mo akamba wo ba me see ade ye be sa kamba tumbo ne ya ma wan ko toilet ya na ye in free central region what don't try no already that could be force so be wu no ko toilet sa
what say you to abana clean near kind
ya person ya to clean
okay
ya to clean ya ko en kai lose
na Ghana nkone
ni basa wo so de basa na weni a me say we na water region ya training no mu ho no mu tutu o fan ko fo imra asen straight enye akrokro we say enipa no officer you owe him we don't owe anybody. We owe this country. Say we will improve it, make it a better place for everybody to live. I mean, Kasem Tramo. Me nama me message am dey kon say. Me say nye school am call at the Saudi College in Munia. And can I mean why me do baby am do 10 o'clock. Na omo train and sa mako. In 1976, yeye nipa 13. E bin see that history ya to me year group. History ya to ascend. Nkwala baku 13 and the pass common entrance. Oh he enti 2 penacol. Me kwa Saudi College and me call ascend manso. 2 your first 2 boys omunya distinction. Stephen Yamiche obi onya distinction. When nya boafo nti na otwa tai e wo dunkwa onofe. Can you believe that? And my classmate be wa umu kura ask me na wo me. But and yes we sansan you but we nya boa enti abase. So enti se ne president bi aba na wo say osikani didi a ohia ni so be didi osikani ba ko school a ohia ni ba so be ko school a na wo say wo mpe one person aka bibia tia wo one person only into Kotuetia Ubadachi. I am not sure, say, MP say what parliament will be until pay the bus school fees. MP be what parliament via the bus school fees will be to both sides, NDC, MPP. We can pay. But what about you? What about you? Me, na me try dear or kanshi me mame or turn with table so. Because your makwaya, Mr. Sabi. Na egumisaso yes PK chocolate tatra nazet yes rob na me de nam sa atam ya na e school no so ka ho won ene baby a yankopon edimadu ekufu ado se won so ba ebetimi ayeksa a chen kana Japan adwen wo mo wa kura no so adwen wo mutrim but mo a eni honti o hwe adeso example ya mo man ano me call school be a me ankasa na me see ya o ma training into secondary school results na akola ba ko nya 6 A's or just secondary school me no ka say only 2 blocks ye kwa mu kasa no even bathroom go mu ni bi a friend or mo ye construction as we be asin a confront enra just secondary school nya 6 A's what you say enti look do not take the opportunity being created by this government for granted.
If you don't kasa wo hwe ne a si na na Akufo-Addo bresu ya yan kasa se o man ye di ehu hwamo papa e wo mu masua kwan so say wo no.
Yes, because who sa no the elite ye Ghana ye kasa animu only 15% and then they are educated. 15% with the higher level, secondary and university, 15% of the population. Till now, share resource no kura banwa. What you see how these rural folks will excel. What do you say? Brofu na ne BT. Me was system bi o ha. So the year presidency see a metrum. Let me tell you, America for 1 year. Almost Ivy League schools, almost selected the brilliant kids from various schools. No one you must shame. SAT no, it's not as higher as Obia or call private school. You're training here, but Omusha baby, I watch it. No more baby, I may batch it. Now, share resource, the difference is maybe at 2030. That's just obey with equal opportunity, obey even better than let pick you. Machine. I'm saying this because Akolebi was asking a coupon. utwam fosu e branche a wo ko akinkesu akosi chairman mafu ekromo a hot rufi and wo ko Agri Memorial ya makwaya straight oni obi a ho Kumasi oni ebi a ho Nkran onya 7 A's and a B in English inti also from medical school.
Yeah,
I had to pay. So me see me person me prove a medical school for no wrong. So I had to pay 12,000 for the girl to go to school to do medicine. How many moment I don't know? How many lab technician? I don't go education in my sister. 7 A's. Woman lab technician. Are you mad? So me the aqua we by example. The man was a system in a bogus. A bogus system complete. You always select the good people. You see, at the Saudi College, they are not as brilliant as you think. Wesley Girls, Holy Child, they are not doing anything because they select the creme de la creme and your woman could go. What you say? Sir, oh, pick it, or be from Adesso. Now what you mean, 7 A's or 8 A's. Now I pick it, or be what? Just secondary school, and you're 6 A's. If you are able to train a child, go. Me do Cape Coast. Papa Baku yi. Akwarabi onya 30, aggregate 30. Muntie, how about you make school be good? Akwarabi nya aggregate 30 from JHS or SS. What JHS? Oko SS onya 5S. I have copies of it.
That's it.
And when I chance school way, you good. Yatumia training akola bi onya aggregate 30 and then no abenya 5 A's and nya wo ma ya pick wo 8 ones 7 ones near group wo one Saudi College and participate into yes they are brilliant. No what you fix it and kola bi to say system o di bay and am fa and kola bi o ma di o ma nya bi 18 19 and wo ko frefrasa good school so na competition ba wo be hu ni o benya. And when you try say school way, etimi training and kola, and mama be here. Na nyasa odi omu call no pick the best. No groma koshia, no man your good result.
Production ayo ho am sa ka video na meka Sammy Jenfi.
Okay.
Or kanenti GH1 na omo pick the free. If I credit no more na mo na working any one ma 80 no NTS asem no emfa inflow. Radio so when you ready because ebi ana yeah ni ho ko be person na working enti ye twen o na so emfa ento.
That's some no fa Kennedy da ko na fo. Oni Kennedy da ko na ye juma. Who watches the watchman Kennedy da ko ade o ye gu anas ani wasi na this service newspaper guy on the day against anas. So say only Kennedy da ko so nya as a because a take way and one person said, "Oh, we are going to come and for the Sika or the other black million at the end." And I would see the say a story and that's the money and finish one. So I believe that the matter of Amos Riley was on grounds of sticking. That's what I believe. Because they are all Swahili's. Why is our brother being accused of having trained the one who did the recording? People don't want to go to why? Because I mean, you remember how many times in church. That's some no fucking in the one for. Who watches the watchman Kennedy da ko ade o ye gu anas ani wasi na just service newspaper guy on the day against anas. So say only Kennedy da ko so nya san because e take wo ya e won ba san say obi a record ma pe ku for so o ti sikata or the black million at the end. And I would see these say a story and that's the money of Venice. So I believe that the murder of Ahmed Swale was on grounds of mistaking. That's what I believe. Because they are all Swalis. Why is Samuel Bravo accusing Mayali Bekuba as having training the one who did the recording? Why? Because, I mean, you remember who are making a system in China. Why? Because
anyway, what you are emphatic was say I believe. So he was not emphatic. Okay. How do you say or you're ignorant? Or nimnia orca. So they are out there and you may catch Anas or recordings who watches the watchman, Yakubu and Edibrem. Yakubu. So what can? So now officer or preempt. What do you say? Anas, Yakubu. Or no na odi who watches the watchman Ebrem. Or record the first one Lagos town. Second one, only prosecutor. He recorded you because or say Ujiska Omano.
Okay, that's after the court. Anna
court yano no so can was it. They say our court now or no court will be or can was our court until but you see a serious or say Obilibu said Yakubu and Anna Omo Pep because Omona or day who watches the watchman a very serious statement until Obilibu said a mistaken identity. So what were they going to do to this Yakubu Rekodo who watches the watchman or the brother? What were they going to do to him? Very serious statement that police should call Sami Jemfi, should call NBC for because a buyer no one Yankupon Adi Obeye. A buyer no Ghana announced quick and what they call true. One day now we caught Houston. November, oh, delay best 6 hours. Say, I'm kum, I'm a swelling. What was that? The monuma guasi. Sir, Munya hint to say, Yakubu, and Adi who watches the watchman in Bremi. Now, no, the swallow can't me nimpo, me friend Yakubu. Into what the Yakubu swallow. So they were going to kill Yakubu swallow. And when we hear mistake, and when we kum, I'm a swallow. This is what Sabi Jemfi is saying. Assembly after this election, I will raise this matter again. One will say, Jifa, who we are saying, dear Sempa, na pre a bomb say, Ubeniache, because Ubia Boni or Diayono, it will come to light. Oman Nasi and more. Say he was going to kill Yakubu Swali.
Okay,
I mistake. Edicokum, I'm a Swali. Now, the Yamaka, wait here. Sabi Jamfi, Sabi Jamfi, I'm meet your kind of say, yeah, dear, I was a show picture and see the Yakofasa. What you are saying, medical. They say 6 hours. Let me tell you, I'll tell you today. We do almost say, we create green card. What you are saying? Into me, either I give my green card up or they detain me one day to go and face the judge. Now, me, green card, I only come to America to spend. Take your green card. And I'm the man. Into because, now come and call me back graduation and I COVID me by. Obviously, no. My green card for so many years, so they want to investigate why I gave up the green card. March. Beginning of middle of November, and one friend say, "Oh, this I know I ready." What it means is that all my own investigation, who say I'm a swally, and you're a cool. Now, Papa Noa, some congressman, Anas, Eddie, you know, command. Congressmen from US with Nancy Pelosi, the man called me through Honorable Dr. Afriye Sefi Yoso. Said he wants to see me, Congressman, and I'm calling. Because you know, I have to congratulate you. We are fighting for your mother country. Now, I also go through the same thing in America. They always think I'm a madman.
These are the man's words to me, so I should keep it up for fighting for the ordinary people. This is the congressman who Anas reported me to. Every year, Dr. Free, another friend said he was frantically looking for me. He me one Dr. Free, another friend said, "Sir Congressman, we pursue." Henke so na ni dini ring a bell. Timmy call no shaky me said, "Congratulations, you are doing well for your mother Nana, because I know what you are going through." Now, in America, they perceive me to be a madman because I'm always fighting for the ordinary people. So keep it up. This is a man, Anas, a report to me, my congressman. Whatever two nay, where you metra, where you say, in the long run, he came, Chembaho, and was share me, a congratulating me. One, so would the wagon far clear conscience, you are always going to be exonerated. Abia me ya, make us a jifaya mompa ya say believe long say. Ebi o wa asam no kura ne bededi no na wawu. Ba me Nyankopon hira me. Bibia makam bia betwem Abraham tiase. Wa so mo akasa call round wa. Wa say Sami Jemfi agivu Anas up. Say he got the ring of it say Sa Yakubu Swale no na de who watches the watchman bremi. So they were going to kill him. And a Swale, they mistakenly killed Ahmed Swale. I think the Anya can Japan.
And on that note, Yapon.
Cast your burden, cast your burden unto Jesus, for he cares for you. Ay, 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 ay.
Everyone said now to you.
Oh, that is me no more. Your campaign, but I'm in the telephone cramming you. And this is for a day. WhatsApp messages come round about a Kufuor so Kojibra, Ninano, and Yanukre. One person score political points say Kufuor be corrupt because the whole world they will say where you corrupt, you know, almost so percent equalizing. But even Enano Puyamiba, the guys who actually followed Ford Noir, was it was full load of money. Yeah, I'm not paying security from national security. I say it was full load of money. So don't let us even talk about only the Ford. I say Sikana Kwana Lodu, Ewakanu, and the Bre Muhammad.
Yes, I say now they are sending Basefina or Team M73.
Yeah, if you know Timono, I said we are Gongo, Nifie. Said we are Gongo Fie, because me say, means me will fear me will change homes. So I know. Said we are going to go fear and a Mahamati. How much a choir or fast so called said we are going to fear? Why? Or no, a fain or see the fear, I will change homes. So I've seen about 4 plots. I will come home. I will see. But I'm sure the fear any fear of them grab into Aqua when the good president only taste design on Rabi. You should come to Tema and see a house. MPP built. That's the difference between MPP and NDC. Mahama VNZO, I will change homes. Why underground parking anyway. But you see, I'm in dirty politics in tea, and I'm here. But if you want to go dirty, what you said we are going to go? Said we are going to go to a court.
Yeah.
Opuni. Fertilizer, Uncle Faba, no means you are from Sikano. Na ne yiri Lordina ochem miensa Lordina dia baako na opuni so dia baako enti wo bati sika kese ni nyina no said wa gongo enye sika kese bia ne ko no sa because chempe no chem miensa me say enti wo ya corrupt wo pesa wo equalize dia be ayi plane ya mukoya mukoto ya wo koji 5 million wo abusuafo mu ncheni mama na ni tina yese ade ni ye too late for entini ye say 2 months be the buyer say dem come see adre no with revelations me pay something my buyer failure come on we are dirty I have a lot of those here on him cars or trauma man no here yina and come the baba no when you scan one here or the talk cars no man please give us a break. You cannot equalize anything. And this is for money. You can't. Say your mark contribution there. And then I said we are going to go. Our found fee. Ali said
sika watweama wo mahama ewo TV3 side wo ya ho na lease edu na no office wo sika watweama eno so ya de enso sankofu amugbo di MPP baye ye no mu deal o ali say this wo contract bet 27 and I met ya na me korra na me muya me ya ka na bum na machi bum we are no ma se djuma no dia men DC fo no ma sa dia koma mahama ali say do no nti mahama uji bribe che ekura won se ne ekura te ekura won se no si wi anom sa pepe na mahama te nti emfa ho ma NDC for mam mfa mo ma na dosi anu de ekura misi ya na ne tiri ye se ni car na time ne short e go be hu regulations e beba na de ma hinchi oba ko pa mo nko cheke se chain homes e fie no timuno me se e du agungudia let him challenge me e kombe sunti e na se du agungu e peja ni fie di ma se kokota
tell na downfall
good se na downfall e ye dan e no ye nti wo nyanku bia ba o se gidan sana abaje onyanku bia ba gidan
former president na betlem
former president gidan e me ka kiro wo ye corrupt na ndisi for na nyo nko awo enyo nko anye mahama nko na e corrupt o ndi corruption dey dware wo mu e di dware wo mu sika no na wo businessman and then wo mu come because sika no wo mu contractor no mu ma chem onu chem on the profit onu chem on the total sum of the contract and until no we shoddy jobs because the contractor no siji adwuma no na wentimi enya sika amfanya na we say quality of o man kofo because adwuma ni wura agi 50% na mo ma be ka kire say nanado we corrupt o sami jemfi utumi jira ho e be defend mahama now you see omo ya de ni wie so omo kom say ade so de pa de when you can say ade e no kure enso party nti yes me go defend na go defend mo betimi any ya tena corruption see en kan ma
say time na so na abronye wa tenka
abronye ya wa ho be kasamo a Ghana fo mo nyimini man kan kire mo esi ya na no from say hey honorable who can you information here osi wakachira mo ono makasa
di nko
wakachira ekwan a ka no prado ni bewura mu
kama manfo nti
abonye frame osi honorable ubuoni o am see ado say hey star na we dey ka pe see e be pia ma twene no sa pe no osi omu tu se omu ko drobo so na omu tu ye omu ko na tundra white bi di omochi di omochi cheya na fe start ma warning shop edu rebi na kwa ni U10 esan na chi to also o makoye program no eba o ma hunu hwe o mu ya se car no abehye enti o mu adi car no abehye mu prado na chi ni and o mu ma sign to di car ko pim abronya de no na anko ayiye na second one o de pim the vice chairman ose mo hye fugu omo ye 4 and a tika no enye asema meka kire oni
eno
menka wa hada se me say omo say abronye omo de car be piano na ni ti yanse na convoy piano no so no nko a no ma be mia no mene na kwa no the hospital class omo too gentle obi a piano wa twini say ni pam yensan ni na ma police ya bekire biza za na na ya sa o me mpese MPP din be se na me nim se o gentle sa o de amon tumfo me
na da se nyame o china no pa
ara amon nya miste o de amon tumfo me
o ra kene de o
ya na make sure say me wu mum basa o tumfo me pa na ni pam nine no ma do ma ko police no mu nyamframa ehu me they are bringing a mistake na someone who did you know a gentle sa gani who be kume who anya nkume ya somu we se be do ma police akwa etun wa bro ya etun what